And Dr. Conrad Murray is with us exclusively on the phone from jail in Los Angeles, and Murray's attorney, Valerie Wass, is with us as well. Dr. Murray, good morning to you.
Good morning, Matt.
I want to know, what was your reaction? I know you were watching the verdict on TV, live as it was handed down. What was your immediate reaction?
My immediate reaction was one of tears. Certainly I cried. But I cried only because I'm not taking sides in this matter, first of all. Let me make that clear. I cried because, for once, the world was allowed to hear some of the facts as it pertained to this matter. A lot of facts that had been suppressed, much of which I was denied, and my attorneys could not present during my criminal trial, that I was not given a fair chance to defend myself, nor were they given the opportunity to defend me based upon the rulings of the court. I was very relieved that at least the world had a chance of hearing some of the facts.
You say you were relieved.
Conclusion that I thought was correct.
You say you were relieved. Did you feel at all vindicated, Dr. Murray?
I have felt clearly that the Lord has always been with me, and I believe that this was part of my recognition that you had to wait on the Lord. You just had to know that He is there for you, and He is going to deliver His justice on His time.
Did you continue watching after the verdict? Did you see the press conference where members of the jury came out? One said that you, quote, did something you shouldn't have done, and that you were, quote, unethical. Did you hear that, and how do you react to it?
I don't think that was ever said that I was unethical. I think what the juror said is that if ethics were the issue, conclusions may be different. And this is not about ethics. This was about the Jacksons bringing in a lawsuit, which I felt from the beginning was frivolous. They brought a lawsuit that indicated that something was done, and a lot of claims that were made were clearly incorrect, and I knew that for a fact. So this is not about ethics. This is about a lawsuit that was brought. The lawsuit was frivolous, and I think the juror certainly should keep his comments as they were confined to that. So right there, when you say I am unethical, that was speculation on his part because he has not heard the other side of the case.
All right, hang on for 1 second, Dr. Murray. I want to bring Ms. Wass in here. Ms. Wass, anything that happened in this trial going to impact your ability to appeal the involuntary manslaughter conviction that Dr. Murray has on his record?
It won't help the appeal at all because the appeal is based solely on the criminal trial, the record from that.
All right, and I'm sorry to make that such a short answer. Dr. Murray, let me go back to you. You're going to be released from jail in just a matter of weeks. You can't practice medicine right now because your licenses have either been revoked or suspended. What do you plan to do?
Well, my license is not revoked, first of all. And when I get out of jail, I want to, be able to embrace my children. I want to be able to reunite with my family and close friends and all of the angels that have been placed in my life that has given me support and encouraged me through this whole process. I would restart my life, and God willing, I would be a model to show the world that despite adversity and when bad things happen to good people, they can restart their life and succeed.
Well, and Dr. Murray, we will look forward to talking to you hopefully when you get out of jail in a couple of weeks. We thank you for your time this morning, and Ms. Wass, I thank you for joining us as well.
I look forward to speaking with you. I like to have a conversation in its entirety when I'm out.
All right, we look forward to it.